I came in very decided on the major of AYA Social Studies Education. Through the programs I was in, I got to be able to teach middle school social studies classes, and I loved it. You know, it was great. I had lots of great experiences in and out of the classroom with peers, and then I just had a whole wealth of experiences. You know, I got to bike 4,000 miles across the country with 4K for Cancer, and I found an internship working at a summer camp in California, learning so much more about education outside of the classroom, which was really what it kind of inspired me to change my major and kind of veer off the path a little bit. So what that was, I was sitting in with my advisor at the time, Greg Dickerson, and I was just talking to him about all of this stuff, and he's like, well, I mean, what you're talking about is very vague and stuff, but I can see some themes, and they fell under the major leisure and event planning, something I had never heard of at this university, and also played into my desire to still be a part of education.